Hello everyone and welcome to my channel again. This is another POV of me riding the bike. Like I said, it's just a normal bike, nothing going on in the video really. As you can see, I lifted up the camera for a better angle, so maybe you can see more of the sky instead of less of the handlebars. You can still see my my cluster there. So like I said, I just have the music, you know, to cover up the wind noise. I mean, you know, it kind of gets, I don't know if these videos are very entertaining. I know, like when I do the narrating on these, I kind of get bored of just hearing the wind noise. That's why I put the music over it, kind of blend it in a little bit, give you guys some kind of entertainment. Like I said, there's really nothing special that goes on in these videos. I mean, I know some people just want to see something different. See a different point of view, maybe on the road. Maybe to help you guys when you guys are in the cars to look out for motorcycles and how they see things. Maybe you're thinking about getting a motorcycle and want to see what the difference is. The only difference I can tell from a car to a motorcycle really is just the wind noise. Some of the helmets don't block out the wind noise a lot, so like I said, the camera is right over my chin mount, like right over the chin, so it picks up a lot of the wind. You know, and the helmet, you probably get maybe a quarter of that. I mean, it's still pretty loud. It's not too bad. I mean, I do buy like a Cardo Bluetooth headset, and it has the speakers on the inside of the helmet, and you can kind of overpower the wind noise with your own music from like Spotify playlists or something that you guys listen to, maybe like Apple Music or something. The other thing I like about the Cardo headset as well is like if you got a phone call, it has a mic on the inside, so you can talk to whoever on the phone. So it's like a hands-free device as well. And then it also works as an intercom, so like if you have a passenger on the bike or riding in the group, you know, you can talk to each other. Somewhere in this video you see me adjust my mirrors. I know my kids like to mess with my bike, so like sometimes they sit on it and pretend that they're driving it, and they mess with my mirrors. That was a car next to me, that wasn't me. I had no idea why he did that. That was see, there it is. See, I adjusted the mirror. Trying to. Should probably done that at home. Or pulled over and do it, but do it while cruising. I think at this point I only had the bike for maybe about a month or two, so it was I didn't have the bike very long, so like I'm still adjusting to it at this point. We're getting used to it, getting a feel for it, not fully knowing what the full potential of the bike is yet. It's another sunny day out. It's not too bad. The reason I show you guys the night videos when I'm driving back is because you really can't see much. Even down these streets right here, they're not well lit, so all you see is just pitch black. And especially like out here in the fields where there's no buildings whatsoever, it's just all you see is my headlight and the gauge cluster really, and the rest of the screen is just dark. Maybe when I get better editing skills and learn how to fix that, maybe I'll post those up for you guys. So this is not like the first motorcycle I've ever rode before. I've rode, dirt bikes, quads on the dirt road, but this is like maybe my first street legal bike being on the street. When I first got it and started driving around by myself and all that, it was pretty nerve-wracking. I was pretty nervous. But as you see here, this is me, you know, really getting a feel for the bike. You know, going pretty fast there. Alright, well, if you guys stayed this long, you know, thanks for watching this far, you know, do appreciate it. If you guys have any suggestions of what I should do differently or something, you know, go ahead and leave me a comment or something. Alright, well, I'll stay quiet and let you finish watching the rest of the video, which isn't much longer left, but, you know, thanks again for watching, guys.